We just had a microburst happen here about 5 minutes ago, and it just blew things around everywhere.
You see up there?
Awning? An awning wrapped around the tree? It was all over the street, but the neighbors were taking it off the street.
Like everybody else around here. Everybody's fucked up. I wonder how's the other side?
I don't know. It looks like it damaged some of her a little bit up there. And this is the house that got it worse.
Did anybody else get damaged, do you know?
Not for sure, I just know around here.
I heard a couple of booms before this one.
Oh, I heard a boom too.
I heard 2 or 3.
It's like, gee, what is it? Uh-oh, here comes the fire department.
It's coming in here.
And it's a clear, it's no storms or clouds out, but it was a microburst like wind instead of just like a microburst. So you can see no clouds except for in the distance.
Here's a good spot.
Now we got the police here, the fire department's here. Yeah, that's what I said. This house got it the worst right here.
This one got destroyed, man.
Yeah.
Look at the roof. The roof was trying to come up too. Man, what you do, man?
Jesus, damage.
It's so fucking nice for now, motherfucker. Oh, I think it's abandoned in there.
You think? You don't know.
So it's just like a small tornado?
Yeah, like a microburst. I was in my house and also I heard a boom and my TV went out. Yeah.
It's just like what's going on.
Well, yeah, so this is what's going on. We don't know what's going on if any of the other part of the neighborhood around here got anything, but I was watching TV and then there was a boom. And we came outside and it was almost like a tornado almost. You know how you get those, you know how you get those dust devils that really spin up the dust? I wonder if it's like one of those things.
Same thing, probably, but it's just like they're invisible.
You can sell that place in
Timing's everything.
Yeah, no kidding.
Timing's everything.
No, there is no such thing as timing. No. There was no moment around that. Yeah, there is. There's a lot of stuff. That's why I moved here. Boring. That's
kind of boring.
Quiet.
Boring.
Quiet. Boring. Yeah.
Boring is good.
Where I came from, over in El Mirage, the real.
Oh, God.
Oh, that place.
Well, just letting you know, we had like a microburst, so everything looks okay.
The raw